Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to remove a paired device from our smart lock in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for smart lock options? Of course, in the settings, then lock screen, and here we have our smart lock functions. We need to unlock our phone, and as you can see, we have a trusted device added here. It's our JBL speaker, and it's connected. To remove it, we simply tap this our device and remove. That's all. Now we have, as you can see, 0 devices trusted in our smart lock function. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.